Okay, so in this question we had to use the data given to us in the following table and identify what the index value for the government in 2012 would be if the base year in this data series was 2008. So this was a question all about focusing around calculating index numbers. Now we know that when we have an index series we have to have a base year. In this particular question we're told that the base year is 2008, so we can automatically set the index number for 2008 at 100. Now for all the other years, and this includes 2012, which is the value that we're looking for, to get the index number for that particular year we have to divide the actual value in that year by the actual value in the base year, which is 2008, then multiply by 100 to convert into an index form, round to 2 decimal places, and we will have the correct answer to this question. So let's go through this step by step. Given that 2008 is the base year, we take the actual value in the target year for 2012, which is £345,733, divide that by the base year value, which is £332,521. If we do that division, we get 1.03973, multiply by 100 to convert into an index number, which is 103.973. Rounding to 2 decimal places, well the 3, because it's below 5 rounds down, has no impact on the 7, so we can cancel it out and we're just left with 103.97, which is the correct answer. And because this number is bigger than 100, this means that proportionally the value for the government in 2012 is larger than that in the base year, which was 2008. And that is the main benefit of using an index number and using index series to be able to compare how much proportionally your data items have changed relative to a significant point in the data, i.e. the base year.